Yo guys, what's going on? Today in this video I want to show you how I got the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare completely for free. Basically I got a key code sent to my email and it was very easy to do. It took me like 5 minutes to redeem it, and I want to show you what I did step by step to get this new Call of Duty completely for free. So let's start guys. First thing is you have to visit some website that I want to show you right now. This website is called CODkey.club. This is the website you have to visit. So yeah guys, let me just show you what I did to get the new Call of Duty completely for free. Basically I got a key sent to my email. So we can start with typing in our email over here. Let me just do that. Give me like a second because it's not that easy to type while recording. But yeah guys, this actually does work and you should be able to get a free key as well, and I'll be showing you exactly right now how to do it. And the thing is, it does work and it does send you the key code right away after you finish it. Okay guys, so after you finish type in your email, you should be taken to this next page. This actually does work guys, don't panic. This is just a quick verification they do just to see if you're a bot or human. So all we gotta do guys is like download 2 apps and run each app for 30 seconds. So basically I'll just hold up and wait and let this app run for like 30 seconds, and then I'll go back to the website, download another app, do the same thing. Not many people are aware of this, but this is actually like a really cool way to get the new Call of Duty for free. This is how I was able to get the free Modern Warfare key code, and you should be able to do it as well. Okay guys, finished running this for 30 seconds, and also show you that I don't have anything in my Gmail right now. So yeah, we should be doing another app. I already did this process, so I can do it again. Let me just show you guys how to complete it. Okay guys, and afterwards you should receive an email that you have the Modern Warfare key sent to you. That's what happened to me. They usually send it right away, so you should have your free Modern Warfare key sent to you right away. And also guys, if you want to know how to get more free keys, please type in the comments and I'll do my best to help you, because this is pretty rare to come across sites like this. Okay guys, I'm gonna wait it out like 10 more seconds just to be more safe. Yeah, then we can go ahead and open the email. Okay, I just received it guys. This is actually working. Look at this, a free Modern Warfare key. Unbelievable guys. And that's it pretty much guys. If you enjoyed, please like this video, and I hope I actually